Hi guys, I just need to make this video because I don't want you guys to miss out on this. I'm sorry about how I look. I'm covering myself with my duvet right now. So you see, this butt enlargement product is designed to help enhance your natural shape. Your curve will be fuller and more defined if you use this product. I'm serious. You see, we don't always have the time for exercise, so butt enlargement products help us achieve our goals, helps us get our desired body shape. And this product right here is going to help you get your desired body shape. There was someone that left a comment last time. She said she wants to see how I look, she wants to see my body to know if, but I will be doing a video on that. I don't lie, this product works. I won't just come online and start telling you to buy a product that don't work. No, it's not possible. It's not. For those of you that have watched my video, that have used the product I did a review about, you know that the product works. Seriously, it really works. Okay. And if you already have a nice shape and you're looking for a fuller butt, then this product is also for you. It will help fill your flat buttocks by giving you a rounder, fuller look. Seriously. So I this I can't overemphasize on this product because this product works. I just had to do this video because if I don't do it now, someone will get this and I won't have any other one in stock. I have to tell you this because the reviews I've been getting about this is like it's massive. I just have to share it with you. You guys are my family, and I know many of you have been looking for a product that works really well in enhancing the buttocks, and this product is just for you. Okay guys, you see this unique blended ingredients in here will definitely help you get a bigger, larger booty in a short period of time. This product is natural and it works fast. You see, most people see results within 3 weeks of using this product. Within 3 months, you get an obvious and satisfying result when you're using this product. Seriously, this product is very affordable. There's a discount offer on this product. Like if you buy 2 of this product, you get a discount from it. Seriously, how amazing is that? You can also get this if you want to sell it on wholesale. You can buy it on wholesale price. We also have this available for um wholesale. Yes, you can get this. It works. The reviews coming in are superb. They are really nice. This butt enlargement oil works. It really works on its own, but it can also be used with our butt and hip enhancement pill. We have that available. If you want, I'm going to leave my contact so you contact me. Please contact me if only you're serious. Don't just contact me because you just want to inquire. I've said everything I have to say about this particular product, that it works. Okay, and mind you, results may vary, okay, for different persons. Someone might use this product and see results in 2 weeks, and you will use it and see results in 1 month. It depends, but I promise you, people have been sending, oh god, I have lots of reviews about this product, so I just have to share it with you. Because if I don't share them, that means I'm wicked. If I don't tell you about this product, I am very wicked. At first I did it and I gave it to someone to use. She said wow, that it's good, that she's seeing results. Like the results is massive. The reviews coming in there now bomb. They scatter my head. Like when I go on my WhatsApp and start reading reviews, my no nah my head go they swear seriously. So I just have to share this with you. Okay, I'll leave my WhatsApp number so you contact me if you need this product. This is the big one. You can see it's the big size. We have 100 ml, 200 ml, 250 ml, 300, 500 ml, 1 liter. It depends on how you want it. So we have it available. Thank you for watching this video. Till I see you next time. Mwah.